Hi everyone, Diana Alt here for another episode of Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to talk about building an effective relationship with corporate recruiters during your job search. So there's a couple of things that I want you to make sure that you are keeping in mind while you're working with recruiters. The first one is, please don't make them do all the work. Please do not drop messages in their email box or in their LinkedIn inbox that just have your resume and say, hey, I'm a PM looking for a job. Let me know if you have anything. That is showing a huge lack of self-awareness and a huge lack of willingness to do work on identifying roles. And that's just not going to serve you very well. Instead, what I would like you to do is find a role at the company to apply for, actually apply for it, and then follow up and say, hello, recruiter. I applied for a senior PM job at 𝗂𝗏 Corporation. It looks like you might be involved in recruiting for this role. Just wanted to say I'm super excited, and also hand you a clean version of my resume in case your system chops it up. I hope to hear from you soon. That works way, way better. The second thing I want you to do is be easy to work with throughout the hiring process without being a doormat. This means being responsive as quickly as possible, not playing games, and not being afraid to say what you actually want. Even if that means that you figure out a company or a role is not for you. That makes your life easier because you're not in the middle of a long hiring process for something you're not even going to want. And it helps the recruiter out too because they are going to be able to focus on candidates that are right in the pool. The third thing I want you to do is to recognize that the recruiter's jobs are hard. Most recruiters are really overloaded. They have 2 or 3 times as many roles as they should for how many roles a recruiter can manage effectively at the same time. And a lot of times they're waiting on other people in order to push a hiring process forward. So if you can give them a little bit of grace during a process, especially one that's taking longer, that'll really serve you very, very well. That is it for Tip Tuesday. I hope this helps you be more comfortable working with corporate recruiters, and I look forward to seeing you next time.